Hey, Johnny! What are you doing?
Hey, Freddie. Doing my morning checkout on my truck to make sure I'm prepared for an emergency.
Emergency?
Whoa, Freddie, whoa! There's not an emergency right now. I'm just checking out the truck to make sure I'm prepared.
Prepared? I want to be prepared. What can I do to help?
Well, let's go get a new cup of coffee. We'll talk about it. Whoa, Freddie, what are you doing?
I was going to make you some coffee.
Well, I appreciate that, bud, but you're too little to work the stove.
I'm big, I can do it.
Freddie, the kitchen can be a dangerous place. You need to have an adult if you're going to be working the stove.
Why? What could go wrong?
Well, kitchen fires are the #1 cause of house fires and injuries in the home.
Ooh, well, what can we do?
First off, always move the handles in so they don't get bumped and out of reach of little kids. Second, always use a hot pad.
Hot pad.
Always remember, when you're leaving food, have to turn off your fire when it's unattended.
Oh.
And keep back when anyone's opening up the oven door.
Whoa!
Nice. Can you think of anything else?
Well, you can keep anything to catch fire away from the stove, like those hot pads.
You got me. Nice catch, Freddie. Whoa.
Is everything okay? I heard the smoke detectors go off.
Yeah, Johnny just left the stove on again.
Ah, well, I'm glad they worked okay. And we know everything's going right. Like you checked it once a month, and you change the batteries twice a year at daylight savings time.
But Fire Marshal Brandy, what happens if I don't have a smoke detector?
If you don't have a smoke detector, you can get one from a local store, or you can contact your closest fire station.
Wow, I'm sure glad we had one. They're really important. Every house should have a smoke detector.
You're absolutely right, Freddie.